Hello. So I'm here today with some hair education for you. I'm Eden Edge, owner of the.edge.control, and I just want to introduce myself just a little bit. There are some people that know me, you have used my products, you have benefited from my services. I've just given you very valuable information that you have taken and you use it. So thanks to you for being a part of my community. And for those of you who don't know, I want to invite you to join my community. And when I say my community, the textured hair community. There are a lot of us with textured hair, and a lot of us really don't know what to do with it. We, for a long time, have always been taught how to do other people's hair, how to tame it, how to straighten it. Naturally, African American women or Black women have hair that grows in a curly texture. Because of that, being able to manage it, maintain it may not be as easy as if it were straight. A couple of things that I want to share with you why this is so important to me. Number one, I'm an African/Black American, so I know the struggle, which is one reason that I privy myself on knowing this information, because I'm a partaker of it. I had to figure it out for myself, and then once I did, I was like, I want to tell you guys because this is important to me. I've had relaxed hair, I've had colored hair, I've had short hair, I've almost been bald. That was not intentional. Natural just was the way for me to go. And I realized that within this community, that's probably, I don't know if it's the number one reason, but it's a really big issue with Black women in their hair. It's like, okay, I want to be natural, but I also want to have the versatility that if I want to wear my hair straight, when I come back to the natural side, I want it to be curly. However, when I put this heat on it, that's not happening. One, I guess, disparity within our community is, again, to reiterate what I said before, we're not taught how to do our hair. In the United States, as far as textured hair education or natural hair education, there are only 8 states in the United States, and this is as of 2025, and I think this has been within the last 5 years. There are only 8 states that have natural hair included mandatory in their curriculum for their cosmetology programs. Only 8 states out of 50. That's just in the US. I'm not sure about the other, but for the US, it's only 8 states. And then those range from New York, Minnesota, Connecticut, or I'll post them somewhere in the comments for this. But 8 states out of 50 is not a lot. When your professionals are going to school to learn how to do this skill, they're not taught how to do African American/Black American's hair, /texture/curly hair. It's not anything that's taught. And if this isn't taught and you're in Georgia, then how do you know? Tell us, how do you know? Well, the way that I know is I had the privilege of starting in Atlanta and working at a textured hair salon. It was actually founded by a professional. This was like 20 years ago. And she took up space within the texture and natural hair community, just really found a lot of solutions to things that we were struggling with. One being what products to use, another being what tools to use, how to do a silk press and not have heat damage. Information was passed on to me, how to color textured hair, what shampoos are needed, what are actual textures. And these are just some things that I learned there, and now I have brought into my salon, my community, to share and teach you guys. So one thing, when you receive a service from me, a silk press service specifically, when you get your hair shampooed, when I press your hair is straight, good and straight. And then as soon as water touches it, it's back good and curly, just like we want it, right? It's just one thing that I am excited that I'm able to give my clients. It's also one thing that I'm excited that I'm able to teach the people, like I said, in my community. this textured hair community and space, because there are a lot of questions in my inboxes on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Lemonade. And it's not as simple as you guys think, as far as me to just tell you, grab this shampoo, because it's not a one size fits all thing. I know we've kind of been told that, or we haven't been told that, but it's not a one size fits all. It's almost like a prescription. Clients will tell you, my students will tell you, the people in my community will tell you that when I give them to do, when I tell them do this, when I do it for them, when I shampoo, they're like, oh, my hair never felt like that. My hair feels so soft. I've never been able to comb my hair. And now they can, because I have given them something to provide solutions for you all, because I know you're looking for them. I know you've been looking for them. I know you've been wanting and longing. If I could just find somebody that knows my hair. If someone could just tell me what to do. If someone could just tell me what to use. That's me. I am Eden Edge, the owner of the Edge Control Textured Hair Salon. And my goal is to help you fall in love with your hair again by giving you proven step-by-step advice to help you master and understand your curls. To like, share this information, and follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get more of all these goodies, more of all this information, and more of all these solutions